What's up guys, Shri here.
भूल तो नहीं गए हमें?
Let me start off this video by saying thank you so much to all of you who are watching my videos regularly and are commenting on them and asking me questions. I have to address Instagram audience as well because you guys are asking a lot of questions, the answer to which is already right here. So I would encourage a lot of you who have not subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, just head over to youtube.com/@SrinivasaGanesh. You would see all of the videos there. So today's video is on one particular topic that has been requested by a lot of you guys. A lot of you guys have DM'd me on Instagram and mentioned on the YouTube comments. So quick reminder, go to the YouTube and check out my videos over there. Thank you so much. Let's begin. Alright folks, one of the most requested video, the most frequently asked question on my Instagram and on my YouTube comment section, the blacked out engine casings on my Interceptor 650. Customizing motorcycles has always been a passionate hobby of mine. It can appeal differently to others, which is what the beauty of customization is. It is unique. Speaking of customization, I adore the aluminium casings. They've got that retro vibe like an 80s mixtape. But keeping them shiny? That is the full-time job. And to be honest, I'm a motorcycle enthusiast, not Mr. Clean. That was made using AI. These aluminium beauties pick up dust, dirt and debris like I pick up bad habits. They end up looking duller than a Saturday night without tacos. Even after you wash it, clean it and polish it. Every week and week after week, the same thing all over again. So I found myself spending my weekends sanding and polishing like I was trying to impress a date with OCD at CCD.
Sit down with me.
My elbows developed a lovely case of medial epicondylitis. Yeah, that's a fancy term for, oh my god, my arm hurts from all this scrubbing. I was always a fan of black color on motorcycles and often thought of doing something that is not only pleasing to my elbows but also to my eyes. And coincidentally, RoyalEnfield launched the Interceptor and the Continental GT in blacked out variants too. After that, I sprinted to my nearest RoyalEnfield service center and asked if the blacked out casings can be installed on my Interceptor. And I spent some money. Let's just leave it at that. Why didn't this variant come out early will remain a mystery to me. Man, that makes me love my motorcycle more. Anyways, this mod gives the Baker Express, which was already a pretty good color scheme on the Interceptor, a very sleek and modern appearance. Something on the lines of a Triumph Speed 1200. The dream bike I can't afford since I spent all my cash on tacos and CCD. Maintaining these black beauties is easier than stealing candy from a baby. Just soap water and done. No more spending hours polishing like a maniac.
तुम समझ नहीं रहे हो.
Now, there are 5 parts that can be changed, but I went with 4 as one part was MIA. These are sprocket cover, gear side cover, that oval thingy on the right side, cylinder head cover, along with gear side gasket cover clutch side, a sealant as you will need to secure them back, and a mildly painful labor charge. The last one is this small part right here, which was not available at that time, but I was okay with it being grey. This blacked out matte finish is very good as this comes straight from the RE factory. Look at it. The paint finish, the texture of it, just simply superb. Now, my Interceptor 650 looks classier than I do in a tux. As compared to these aluminium casings, which will have these watermarks, and keeping these clean will demand a rather heavy tax.
Really?
And that's about it. If you're feeling inspired by my bike's makeover, go ahead and check out more DIY videos on my YouTube channel. Hopefully before you slide into my DMs on Instagram. Drop a comment and tell me your views about this video, or suggest me to make something which I haven't made yet. New to the channel? Hit that subscribe button and the notifications icon so you don't miss out on the next video that you didn't ask for. Until next time, ride safe, stay cool, and remember, a motorcycle is for riding, not just for content creation. Or is it? Peace out.